Hello good friends, today we are going to learn how we can be able to install um, Microsoft Office or Microsoft Air Office for free in a two simple way. The first thing I have indicated here, what we're supposed to do, we are supposed to visit Microsoft Office, Microsoft site to download the configuration sets, and the first thing you are supposed to do is to come and copy this URL, copy and you paste here on your browser, and after there you are going to get this site which will welcome you to Microsoft 365 Hub Admin Center, and then you click create. After there we are going to get a office customization tool, and there is a deployment settings. We need to set a few things, and we are done. So the first thing we choose our architecture, and our architecture my machine is 64 bits, so I'm going to take 64 bits. Another thing, I'm going to choose the office suite. I want this volume professional plus LTS 2024, and I'll not choose I choose professional one, and then the project will be professional. That one remain the way it is. Under the apps I need access, I need OneNote, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, OneDrive, Outlook and Publisher. The language I'm going to choose English. I'm going to choose English, United States, and I click next. Under installation, it will remain the way it is. We click next. Upgrade, we need nothing. We are going to change here. Let's remain the way it is, the default one. We go to licensing. This is automatic set to license. It will remain the way it is, and we click next. It should remain the way it is, and click finish. So here we are going to create to export. Click here it is looking, so we click export, and we need this Office Open XML format, and you click OK. You click asset, and then you click export. And then here we are going to keep, so we will be able to download configuration XML. The next thing, after exporting, well, we open our another tab, and we copy our link that we're going to download the Office CDN. So we paste there and we enter. The setup is here, downloaded. So the next thing, we are going to go to this PC. Under this PC here we create a folder, click new, make a folder. Under the folder we are going to name it Office, and enter. Then we copy the link, you open the CDN. This is the CMD. After opening the CMD, we write CD, and then we paste the link. There it is. We learn a few commands. One of the command is we are going to learn the setup. So the first thing we are going to do, come here, downloads, files, we come to our CMD. Here is our command. We copy this one and we paste. Remember our C here is capital, so we change and we enter. Let's see whether the magic will be performed. The installation will start immediately unless there is an error. So let's see whether there is any error that will it started. Please stay online while Microsoft 365 Office downloads. So this means the our Office will be permanently activated while installing these using this method. And this one, the disadvantage of using this method is that you need to have internet so that you'll be able to install or also download. Another thing, it requires a bit strong internet so that you may be able to perform, but it's one of the best way, but that you never require any key to activate your license to Microsoft. This is the one given way by Microsoft Office for installing Microsoft 365 for free. So this is a best way that you can be able to do. And let's give it some time for it to finish, and then after there I'm going to come back. The installation is done, so or you are set, and the Microsoft 365 Office apps are installed on your computer. So we can close here, we close this one, and now we can come and start maybe Word. See whether it will request me for the license. So I accept the license agreement. Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2024 includes this app, so we can click here and accept. Your privacy matters. Thank you for using Office. Your organization has given you ability to use optional cloud backup back-end experience. You get decided whether blah 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 all those. So we click close, and then we can come and start our word here. So this one I can be able to write or to use without cracking it. So this one is the best and the free way to install Office 365 2024 version in 2025. So thank you for watching this video, and in case of anything that you like to be assisted, you can comment down on this comment of this video. So thank you.